Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Today I explain and show the overview and specification of this Canon LBP 6310DN model printer. This printer is black printing only, but it includes automatic double side printing and network printing options. This model printer is one of the best heavy duty printer from Canon brand. Print speed of this printer is 33 pages per minute. This printer has two input paper trays. This is the second one. This is known as multi-purpose tray. Paper size can be adjusted with these clips. The size of each paper is given in the tray so that you can adjust the paper accordingly. Input capacity of this tray is maximum 50 sheets only. 60 gram to 163 grams papers can be used on this tray. Now let's see where is this toner and how to replace this toner cartridge. Press and open this door. This is the toner cartridge of this printer. Canon toner number is 719. Number is mentioned on this toner cartridge. For replace, pull the toner like this. This is the new toner cartridge of this printer. All printer models numbers used with this toner are mentioned here. Also available on this box, detailed photo of how to put this toner to this printer. Print capacity of this toner is approximate 2100 pages. Let's see how to put new toner to this printer. Put both sides of the toner properly, then push to inside like this. After then, close the door. This is main input paper tray. 250 sheets capacity on this tray. Paper size can be adjusted with these clips. Up to A4 size can be used with this tray. That means A5, B5, letter, etc. The size of each paper is given in this tray so that you can adjust the paper accordingly. See, all media sizes are mentioned on this tray. Media sizes adjusted with these clips. B5, letter, A4. See, like this, adjust with media size. Now it's ready to letter. Now okay, ready for A4 sheet. 60 to 120 gram papers are supported on this tray. Now I put some A4 sheets on this tray. and adjusted with these clips. This is the Ethernet cable port. Connect network cable to this port. It's for network printing purpose. This is USB port. Connect USB cable to this port and print from computer. The last one is power cable port. Now let's see how to work this printer. First, connect the power cable. After then, turn on this power button. Press on this button. Now printer is working. This is the output tray of this printer. Capacity of this tray 150 sheets face down. Total weight of this printer is 11.2 kilogram only. Dimension of this printer is width 40 centimeter and depth is 37.6 centimeter, height is 26.3 centimeter. Print resolution is 600 into 600 dpi. It will support on Windows, Mac, Linux operating systems. About duty cycle of this printer, the company says it can take up to 25,000 prints per month. Duty cycle is defined as the maximum number of printed pages for a single peak month. Any usage above the recommended duty cycle may decrease the life of the product. Now let's see how to connect and how to print from computer. First, connect the USB cable to this port. Open and insert some paper to this tray. After then close. Printed the test print from the computer. Coming the test print. See, this is the test print of this printer. This print was taken from main paper tray. Next, let's take a printout from multipurpose tray. Same like before. Put some paper and adjust it with the clips. Once more, printer test print from computer. Test print is coming. See, both are same. Okay friends, this video is winding up now. See you on next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for support.